alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. And today tutorial I will show you how can you convert your image into pencil sketch. So let's begin. First duplicate a layer Ctrl plus J. Now go to adjustment layer and take hue saturation and saturation value decrease. Now select image to Ctrl I to invert. Select this image and Ctrl I to invert. So now change blend mode. So the blend mode is color digit. Now select this image and go to filter, select blur and select Gaussian blur. The the value is 40, the radius value is up to 30. Now that's okay. So okay. Now go to adjustment layer and select level. The level reduce up to 73. Now go to adjustment layer and tag bright and contrast. Brightness decrease up to 11 and contrast increase 16, 17. That's okay. Now select first layer and press Shift Ctrl Alt plus E. Ctrl Alt plus E. Now convert this layer into spot object. So right click in this layer and convert into smart object. Now select this layer and go to filter and select noise. Where is noise? Noise and add noise. So 5.8%, this value is okay. Again go to filter and select sharpen and smart sharpen. The amount above 90 to 93. That's okay. Now again control shift control alt plus E. Select this layer and go to filter and select filter gallery and apply poster edges. The poster edges intensity of 7. That's okay. I will show my picture. That's okay. Now select this layer and apply layer mask and select this one and I will choose to brush tool. The opacity 100% below 100% and erase this. Now change the blend mode as color broad. So this is not good. Linear bloom, and that's good. The opacity increase about 60%. So this is completed. We create just pencil, sketch, epic, and Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like a video.